Exercise 10.2, question number 1. We have to construct a triangle XYZ. Here, three sides are given here, XY, YZ, and ZX. 4.5, 5, and 6 centimeter. So, SSS congruence criteria we'll use over here. So, the three sides are given here. So, we'll mark it as X, Y, Z. Okay, we are making just a rough sketch right now. Just see how to do it. XY will be 4.5 centimeter. This side will be 4.5. Next is YZ is equal to 5 centimeter. So YZ also will be 5. And next is ZX is equal to 6 centimeter given. So according to the rough sketch, first of all, these three sides are given. Okay, in exercise 10.2 is based on congruence criteria, that is side, side, side. Three sides are given here. Okay, children. So according to this triangle, we need three sides and we'll construct a triangle here. So first of all, you can take your ruler in your hand and your pencil. So the base we have taken is 5 centimeter. So first of all, we are going to draw a line of 5 centimeter with the help of scale and pencil. Okay, take 5 centimeters and we are going to draw a line that is of 5 centimeters and mark it as YZ. Okay, draw a line everybody of 5 centimeter. Then we have to draw this line 4.5 centimeter XY line. So what we are going to do, we'll take a compass in our hand and with the help of scale, we are going to measure 4.5. Just see here, we are going to measure 4.5 with the help of scale like this and put your needle on Y point and mark like this. Do it everyone. Measure 4.5 centimeters from on your compass and put your needle on Y point and mark an arc of 4.5 centimeter from point Y. Do it, beta. First of all of you draw a line of 5 centimeter with the help of scale. Then measure 4.5 centimeters. Measure 4.5 centimeters with the help of scale on your compass and put your needle on Y point and draw an arc of 4.5 centimeters. Sejal, you are not drawing the diagram. Get ready with your things, beta. Utkarsh, Mahi, Parth. Now we'll move to the next. Now we'll take the next side, that is XZ. XZ is given 6 centimeters. So again we are going to measure 6 centimeter here. Okay, see how 6 centimeter we are going to measure with the help of ruler. Put your needle on a Z point and cut an arc. See, this arc and this arc is not cutting. So what we are going to do again, these two arcs, we'll again measure 4.5 centimeters. We'll again measure 4.5 centimeters and just put your needle again on point Y and we'll increase the arc. Okay. So this side we have got this side, this way we have got it. So this side is called this point, this cut point. This is X point. Okay. Now we'll join the lines. This way, XY, this from this cut. Okay, and mark it as 4.5 centimeters. Again, we are going to join XZ like this and mark it as 6 centimeters. Clear? This is your diagram. In this way, you have to draw the triangle. Draw it, everybody, and show me your diagram. Nishchay Jain, Parth Jain, Yatharth Singh, Karthik, Nabil Khan, Himanshi, Naman Jain, Karnika Singh, Ayan Malik. Hurry up, open your camera, everybody. Otherwise, I'm removing you from the class. Beta. Yes, Meenakshi, I'm just seeing yours. Very good. Good diagram. You have, I'm just repeating the diagram. First of all, you have drawn the line of 5 centimeter with the help of scale. Then you have to take an arc compass of 4.5 centimeter. Put your needle on Y point and cut an arc. Very good one, Sharma. Next, again, take your compass of 6 centimeter. Again, put your needle on Z point and cut an arc. The middle point which you have got it, just join that point with Y and Z. Your triangle is ready. Clear? Mahi, Utkarsh. Okay, Tanvi. Namanjan, Ayan Malik, show me a diagram. Yatharth Singh. Tanvi, open your camera, better. Do not close it. Now write steps of construction, everyone. Steps of construction. Meenakshi, stop talking, beta. Write down steps of construction. Draw a line segment YZ is equal to 5 centimeters. Draw a line segment. देखो बेटा, in the first exercise we have used the word line because no measurement was given there. That's why we are using line word. If the measurement of line is given, then we are going to use the word line segment. Okay, so draw a line segment YZ is equal to 5 centimeters. Second step, with center Y and radius 4.5 centimeters, with center Y and radius 4.5 centimeters, with center Y and radius 4.5 centimeters, draw an arc. Draw an arc. Step 3, with center Z, step 3, with center Z and radius 6 centimeters, draw another arc. To cut the previous arc. Draw another arc to cut the previous arc at X. I'm repeating step 3, with center Z and radius 6 centimeters. Draw another arc to cut the previous arc at X. This is step 3. Step 4, join YX and ZX. Step 4, join YX and ZX. Therefore, triangle XYZ is a triangle. Triangle XYZ is a triangle. Utkarsh Pandey, open your camera. Done, everyone? We are constructing a triangle of side 5.5 centimeter. That means all the sides should be of 5.5 centimeters. So first of all, we'll draw a rough sketch of 5.5 centimeter on all sides. Then we have to construct a triangle. Okay, let's mark it as A, B, and C. We are assuming ABC because nothing is given, so we are marking it as ABC here. So this is your rough sketch how to draw a triangle. Okay. So first of all, what we are going to do, we'll take one side, BC side, 5.5 centimeters. Okay. So we'll draw a line 5.5 centimeter first of all. Part Nishchay, Naman, draw it and show me a notebook also. Vedant, 5.5 centimeter. Draw a line of 5.5 centimeter and mark it as BC. 5.5 centimeter. Okay. Again, we are going to draw this line BA and AC. These are also of 5.5 centimeters. Okay, because this is an equilateral triangle, so all the sides are equal over here. So we'll draw one arc from here and one arc from here of 5.5 centimeters. So this is your midpoint where we have to join it. So first of all, take your ruler in your hand and measure 5.5 centimeters. Measure 5.5 centimeter with the help of compass and scale, and take your point B and cut an arc like this. Again, with the same centimeter, with the same radius, again cut another arc. Okay, from C point. Now this is your midpoint A. All of you draw it up to here. First of all, draw a line of 5.5 centimeters. Take your compass of 5.5 centimeters and draw an arc from point B and C both. Draw a line of 5.5 centimeter, all of you. Everybody, draw a line of ruler and pencil of 5.5 centimeters. Now take your compass and your scale and measure 5.5 centimeters and cut your arc from point B and C. One arc from B point, one arc from C point with the same measurement. Cut an arc. Abhigyan, start drawing it, beta. It's very easy to draw a triangle, construct a triangle. Come on, do it. Very good, Namanjan. Now we'll take the center point as A and we'll join AB and we'll join the another side AC like this. Okay, so this is your ABC triangle, equilateral triangle with all the sides 5.5 centimeter. It's ready now. Parth Jain, Bhumi Chaudhary, Himanshi, Yatharth, open your camera. And show me your diagram, all of you. Ayan, Zikra, show me your diagram. Abhigyan. Wait, I'm checking. आगे Zikra, आगे करो बेटा. Let me just spin up your video. Good. Beta, if you are writing ABC na in the above question, so you have to draw a symbol triangle of. In front of ABC, you have to draw a symbol of triangle. That means you have to make a small triangle in front of ABC. If I'm talking about triangle ABC. So you have to use these symbols also. Okay, triangle ABC. Now let's start with steps of construction. Vedika, first step. What should be the first step? Tell me. Steps of construction.
Yes, ma'am. Step 1. Draw a line segment BC measuring 5.5 centimeter.
Okay. All of you write this line. First step is absolutely right. Repeat again, Vedika. Draw a line segment BC is equal to 5.5 centimeters. This is step 1. Okay. Val Sharma, can you tell me second step?
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, with C as center and radius 5.5 centimeter, draw an arc.
Yes. With B as center or C as center, you can take any as the center. If you're taking B as the center and radius 5.5 centimeter, draw an arc. with B as center, with B as center and radius 5.5 centimeters, draw an arc. Yes, Devanshi, show me your diagram. Okay, right, absolutely right. So second step will be with B as center and radius 5.5 centimeter, draw an arc. Step 3, with C, with center C and radius 5.5 centimeter, with center C and radius 5.5 centimeters, draw another arc, to cut the previous arc, draw another arc to cut the previous arc at A. With center C and radius 5.5 centimeters, draw another arc to cut the previous arc at A. Step 4, join BA and CA. Therefore, triangle ABC is an equilateral triangle. Join BA and CA. Therefore, triangle ABC is an equilateral triangle. ABC is an equilateral triangle. Triangle PQR, we have to draw a triangle PQR, and PQ side is given how much? 4 centimeters. So we'll take this PQ side 4 centimeters. QR is given 3.5 centimeters. And PR is given how much? 4 centimeters again. So this is an isosceles triangle because this is the two sides are equal and one side is unequal. So this is an isosceles triangle whose two sides are equal. So the type of triangle is isosceles over here. Okay, we'll be writing isosceles triangle. So first of all, we'll be taking our ruler and pencil in hand and we'll be drawing QR side, that is 3.5 centimeters. Okay. Take your ruler and mark 3.5, this much, and draw a line. Okay, QR. Now we'll be drawing PQ and PR also. Yes, this is a PQ line, QR line. So both has different. So first of all, we'll mark here QR 3.5 centimeters. Okay. Now we are going to draw QP. That will be 4 centimeters. And PQ, that will be also 4 centimeters. So we'll draw one arc from here, one arc from arc side. One arc from Q point, one arc from R point. So we'll take a compass in our hand and measure 4 centimeters with the help of compass. Okay, with the help of, and keep your, yes, this way, Q point, and same measurement with the R point. Okay, this is your midpoint now. All of you draw these two arcs of 4 centimeter. First of all, draw a line, everyone. Everybody draw a line of 3.5 centimeters. Now we'll mark it as P point and we'll be joining it. PQ and PR. And we'll mark it as 4 centimeter. Because both the sides are of 4 centimeter. When two sides are equal and one side is unequal, the type of triangle is isosceles. It is an isosceles triangle. Clear? So write your steps of construction. Anya, tell me the first steps of construction. Anya Jain. First step of construction.
Okay, ma'am. Draw a line segment of QR is equal to 3.5 centimeter.
Draw a line segment QR is equal to 3.5 centimeter. That's right. Absolutely correct. Tanvi, can you tell me the second step?
With Q as center and radius 4 centimeter, draw an arc.
Yes, with Q as center and radius 4 centimeter, draw an arc. Very good. Mukul, can you tell me the third step?
Ma'am, with the center as the arc, with the center
And radius, beta, and you have to tell the radius also, Mukul. With R as center and radius, kitna? How much?
4 centimeter. Ma'am,
Yes, 4 centimeter.
Draw another arc to cut the previous arc at P.
Very good. Draw another arc to cut the previous arc at P. That's right. Vansh Sharma, what will be the next step?
Yes, ma'am. And the fourth step is join QP and RP.
Yes, join QP and RP. That's correct. At the last, you will be writing triangle PQR is an isosceles triangle. Okay? Triangle PQR is an isosceles triangle. Done, everyone?